Hello! Today I'm going to be doing a quick 2D Carve test on my 3018 Pro Max to see if it can cut aluminum. For the CAM software I'll be using Fusion 360 and I've gone ahead and sketched out two T's. I'll be testing at a feed rate of 254 mm per second and a plunge rate of 76 mm per second, and for each path I'll be cutting at a depth of 0.1 mm to test it out. In total I'll be cutting 1 mm deep, and this will all be done on a 1/8 single flute end mill. To start the test, I'll be clapping down a plate of 6061 aluminum, and I'll go ahead and zero the machine. Once the X and Y axis has been set, all I have left to do is zero the Z axis, and I'll be doing that with the Z probe. Once the origin is set, I'll go ahead and run the G-code. Now I turned the audio down a bit here, but one thing I noticed right off the bat is it is incredibly loud and the vibrations are quite intense. But noise aside, it seems to be cutting through just fine, and I feel like I can get a little more aggressive here in the future. Looks like the job's finished. In total it took about 10 minutes. I'll go ahead and unclamp the plate now, and one thing I noticed is the plate's actually quite cool, so despite running it with no coolant, heat was not an issue at all. And I feel like I probably could have cut it a little bit deeper on each pass. And here's a comparison to the tool path. Alright, so that concludes the quick 2D Carve test with 6061 aluminum. I think in the future I'd like to try a 3D Carve, run a little deeper and a little more aggressive, and see if I can push the machine a bit more. So it looks like I'll have to go get myself a thicker piece of aluminum, but in the meantime, thank you for watching.